Grid networking.
Home of POE-Jack. Grid offers 3 different levels of connectivity. The Grid brand, POE-Jack and Active POE-Jack. The Active POE-Jack is a wall plate with a single RJ45 connection on the back for uplink to a PoE switch. The front face provides 4 output ports for standard Ethernet or PoE if required. Maximum 60 watts per plate with a maximum of 30 watts per port. It is an extender too, allowing you run network drops out to an additional 328 feet. The screwless Faceplate snaps onto the front for a clean look. It has an LED indicator to let you know it is powered with an on-off switch for the LED only for dark areas. With endless amounts of applications, you will find it very beneficial in retail and hospitality to reduce cabling costs, quicker rollouts and frees up space in racks and cabinets. You can use it for computer connections, voice over IP phones, IP speakers, IP cameras, digital signage, point-of-sale systems, people counters and so much more. In offices you can reduce cabling to workstations. Having 4 ports off one plate for a single workstation, or use in clusters with patch cords to adjoining workstations to reduce cabling up to 75%. The reduction of cabling saves on materials and labor. It also means less patch panels, less switch ports, less patch cords, less wire management, less conduit and less cable tray. Reduce cabling in education facilities. Reduce cabling in casinos to all those slot machines, digital signage, gaming tables, point-of-sale terminals, IP cameras, IP speakers, ATM machines and so much more. Use the Active POE-Jack in surveillance trailers masts to reduce cabling up the mast. Here is an example of how this disrupts the market. 109 devices on 19 home run cables, 19 switch ports, 19 patch panel ports in only 2 U of rack space. You will notice in the middle and right that Active PoE jacks have been cascaded to reduce cabling in ports. In big box stores, warehouses, parkades, airports and institutions you generally have very long cable runs. This solution allows each unit to be an extender, eliminating wall cabinets or telecom rooms that need power. Here we have cascaded to another unit for even longer distances and more devices. Active PoE Jack has many certifications and listings. Here is a rear view on the bottom showing the RJ45, grounding post and rear ventilation. An elegant patch panel that matches our enterprise switches. It comes with jacks that have LEDs in them that are traceable when using our tracing tool. Here is an example of how that disrupts the market. 192 cable, 12 U of rack space traditionally. With our solution, 48 home run cables, and 3 U of rack space. We do have traditional product too if you want to use it or do a hybrid of both solutions. Use it for point-of-sale applications. Here is a wiring diagram. Here is a wiring diagram using our consolidation point box, disrupting the market further by using up to 92% less home run cables. Here is a wiring diagram used with IP cameras and cascading for more cameras up risers, big box stores, warehouses, parkades and any other long cable runs. We offer adapters if your point of sale is not PoE. Use these to power it off our plate. Here is a point of sale wiring diagram. We offer adapters for other products too. Ask your distributor or certified installer for our products. We offer many other solutions in our ecosystem to solve problems. Less labor, less cable, less switch ports, less patch panel ports, less patch cables, less rack space, less wire management, less cable tray, less conduit, better for the environment, lower costs for moves, adds and changes. Not proprietary, use it to solve problems in your current system.